Alright guys, so I decided what I'm going to be doing in this channel now is also going to be programming tutorials and just kind of computer related stuff instead of just doing reviews, because I can't just keep doing reviews forever. So I decided, why not start off with a Java tutorial? So we're going to go through Java programming from beginner up through the intermediate kind of area. I will not get into the really advanced stuff right now, maybe in the future, but so for now I'm just going to be showing you what you got to install first. So I'm going to be using Eclipse. There's also IntelliJ, Netbeans, IntelliJ. We'll just show you a few of these. These are going to be your main three options. So these are all really good options. So we get our three different options. We have Eclipse here. This is what I'll be using. So you're just going to hit download and then download the right version for you. I am going to be using my Mac for this, or at least for some of it. I might switch between a PC and Mac. It doesn't matter. Both of them are going to be the same. My Windows would just, like, if I make a J-frame, it's just going to look a little bit different than yours just because it's Windows versus Mac. But programming, it's the same. So you got Eclipse here. Really, really nice IDE. IntelliJ is pretty similar to Eclipse. A lot of people kind of prefer it over Eclipse sometimes. It's kind of a thing going on. I'm not really sure what the difference is. I personally have never actually used IntelliJ really. But apparently it's a really good IDE. And I do agree, it does look pretty good. I have this is made by the same thing for that people make PyCharm, which I actually love PyCharm for programming Python, which I'll probably do a tutorial on. So if you use PyCharm, so if you know Python, you might like this because this is basically the same thing as PyCharm. Lastly, we have Netbeans. Netbeans is interesting. It's one of the bigger ones too. I know some people who would use this in the actual field for like computer engineering and stuff, because it has more than just Java in it, and also has various things like you can make windows in it, but like you can just design a J-frame right there instead of actually having to program it, and it'll just kind of make the code for you. But I can actually show you some stuff in Eclipse that can do that too. There's a lot of plugins for Eclipse that you can get that'll do various things. Like you can get a C# plugin, or not C#, sorry, C++, C. There's one for Java FX, I think, Java X, which this has too right here. There's one for Lua Python, maybe, but none of that's important. But there is some Java stuff, so I'm just going to be using Eclipse. So you download your preferred one. Not everything's going to be the same, obviously. I'm going to actually start loading up Eclipse now while I say the rest, because it does take quite a little bit of time. So I just need to have Eclipse bars. Also, what you're going to want is you're going to want Java JDK. So you're just going to go download the latest version of that. I'll leave both of these things in the links below. So we're just going to exit out of that. I'm going to hit browse. And I'm actually going to put it in this Java tutorial folder right here. So I'm going to go to desktop, Java tut, open, hit OK. And that's going to set your workspace up where everything is going to be saved. As I have a Learn Java one up here if I show you this area. Probably won't, but. So we're just going to let this thing load. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. And I'm going to show you a few things that you might want to know. So yeah, it takes a little bit to load Eclipse. Oh, what's that? What's going on here? Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we have hit X, so we go to our workspace. Alright, so that's really all I want to say right now. I can show you around here a little bit. So you have your different run things. You have actually a help thing here. If you look right here, install new software, that's actually how you install the new stuff for plugins. So I just have a little package. Make your packages, all that stuff. Delete. I'm actually going to delete that for now, because when we do make our first thing, I actually just want to start off in here. I know some people don't like doing that, but so yeah. Next episode, I think we're going to go over the basic stuff. Just I'm not sure what I want to do for the first tutorial yet. It's probably just going to be on some basic integer stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.